Good morning, student. Welcome to 4th standard English class. Today, learn about Frankenstein is born. Okay, take page number 69. Okay, first, the gift was the Elizabeth, a beautiful. Okay, the gift was Elizabeth was beautiful, cold and harried, little head of about his own age. Okay, we. Victor was born in 1770. Okay, 1717. Victor was born on 1717. He was the parents' first child and a happy. Okay, had a happy childhood. His interest was in the darker side of nature. Darker side of nature. Okay, first his mother told that the parents were dead and she was coming to live with them. Okay, the two children to grieve up together. Victor was 7, his brother William. So yeah, William was born, and shortly after the family moved the country houses the Bellevue. Okay, then Victor said to Elizabeth, for I don't like the crowds in Geneva. Okay, Geneva, but I do like being along the quiet Bellevue. Okay, apart from the Elizabeth, his only the first was Henry Shrival. Shrival, son of the merchant. Okay, son of the merchant, and different Victor. Uh, different Victor that he was told nobody about, not even Elizabeth and Henry. Okay, nowadays, Elizabeth loved the natural beauty, the beauty of Swiss, the countryside, the Henry, the soldiers saw action. Okay, uh, again, the gift was Elizabeth was beautiful, golden haired little girl of about his own age. Then the Victor was born in 1770. Okay, 70. He was his parents. The parents were the first child. Okay, so and had a happy childhood. His interest was in the dark and set of the nature. Okay, mom. Next, take page number 70 and 71. Listen. First, Victor interest was the darker side of nature. The nature was deeply about the secrets and mystery of life. Then the one day evening, when he was in, was something which made the great effect. Okay, the great effect on him. The thunderstorm. The thunderstorm had formed. Over the Jura Mountains. The Jura Mountains and broke the violently the overhoused their lake. One flash of lightning and shattered the tree close by the house. Victor never the forget the picture of the buster sum. Okay, not the power of the electricity. After the few days, the university, the Frankenstein, they decided that he would spend the time the exploring the powers of the deep, the mystery of the creation life. Found it difficult. Except that he the found it difficult to sleep. The forget the Elizabeth, his father and his friend the Henry, his brother. Okay, the 2 years that did not think of them. So deeply he was his experiments. Okay, the experiments he studied the medicines of life. He visited the burial, the graveyard chambers to observe the effect on death of the body. Then, um, on after many months of the experiment, they discovered the how to use the boot of life, the something the date. He decided to make of a man. Then one day in the November night, he succeeded in giving the spark of life to the creation, the lightning, the flickering, the candle, saw lamp of switch, and breathe in the one eye, the eye opened. Okay, the quick sudden the moment the looked down at the thing the creator. The skin was yellow, the directly structure over the body. Next, take page number 72. The creature was huge of the eyes and dark hair and wear watery the flesh of the face. The flesh on the face is shriveled and the lips and straight and blackish. Okay. The Frankenstein felt nothing. Nothing. The feeling. Once had the scene, the horror began too much of him. Okay. Next, he rushed off from the room in the terror. The own bedroom. The tried clomb himself. Lay on his bed fully clothed, thus slipped and fulfilled. Okay. Dreadful the nightmares of the worms, the mother. The forget was Stam's feet, the teeth that shattered. Okay. Okay. Listen. Recap. One evening, the thunderstorm formed over the Jura Mountains. Okay, listen, student. The Jura Mountains. Okay, and broke the violently over the house and lake. One flash, the started and tree. This made a deep impression of him. He wanted dead bodies. His experiment. They experimented the bringing the spark of life in him. Okay, the creature was almost the 8 feet. The 8 feet tall and had watery eyes. Okay, the watery eyes. The flesh on his face was thus shriveled and lips straight and blackish. The victor could not sleep. Okay, the victor did not sleep. That night house, he had the tearful nightmares and worms and his dead mother. Victor was the different from the other children. He was in the darker side of nature. He thought the deeply about the secrets and mysteries of life and death. Okay. Okay, student. Next, multiple choice question. Take your English note. Okay. First one, Elizabeth was brought home as she was. Option A, beautiful. B, ugly. C, an urban. Option C on urban. Second one, Victor was a dead child. Option A, happy. Option B, sad. Option C, lonely. Option A, happy. Third one, Victor was deeply excited by. Option A, death and unknown powers. Second, option B, burial. Option C, soldier houses. Option A, death and unknown powers. Okay. Fourth one, Victor was successful in giving a spark of life to a option A, monster. Option B, sister. Option C, devil. Option A, monster. Okay, student. Thank you.